Humans are dependent on animals since early times. Animals were used for the movement of goods and people. In rural areas, bullock carts are still used to transport people and goods from one place to another. In deserts, camels are used as a mode of transport. In the hilly regions, yaks and mules are used as a means of transport. Horse tongas can be seen even today in Indian towns like Aligarh, Agra, and Lucknow. In the jungles, elephants are used for carrying people. Water transportation is the cheapest and oldest mode of transport. Simple boats out of logs were crafted by people in ancient times. The boats are used for short distances. The ancient Egyptians were very good in building sailboats. Egyptians were the first to use sea-going vessels. Transport helps us to move from one place to another. Advances in technology have allowed people to travel far and wide. Traveling to near and far places has become comfortable and easier. In the modern transportation system, different types of vehicles are used to cover distances on board. Bicycles, scooters, cars, taxis, and buses are used for short distances. Buses are important mode of transport. Almost all states in a country have their bus services and many people travel on them. Trucks are used to cover long distances and carrying heavy loads. Trains carry people over long distances. We go from one state to another in trains. The first full-scale working railway steam locomotive was built in the United Kingdom in 1804 by Richard Trevithick. Nowadays, trains mostly run on electricity. Metro trains have reduced the travel time of local people. Waterways is a cheaper mode of transport than land and air transport. Ships are used for covering long distances. Cargo ships like oil tankers are used for transportation of oil. Freight ships are used for transportation of cars. Freight ships are also used for the transportation of food items. Airways is the fastest and therefore the most expensive mode of transport. Today, all nations of the earth are connected by air transport. We can go from one country to another country in little time with aeroplanes. Aeroplane was invented by the Wright brothers. Shorter distances can be covered with helicopters. Some people use air balloons to travel short distances, and this is so fun. Astronauts use spacecraft to explore space. The first manned spacecraft was Vostok 1. It carried Soviet cosmonaut Yuri Gagarin into space in 1961.